Good morning. I, Nikhil Kumar Sahu.
I, Ajit Kumar.
I, Sahiprit Singh. I, Ankit Kumar Mathur.
I, Om Kumar Singh.
We, the next gen group of Commerce Kulkarli, are here to present an idea of automatic solar lights based on the theme of Samriddh Bharat for the Viksit Bharat Buildathon program of 2025. This idea struck our mind while on an evening we were traveling on a quiet road and we noticed that the entire road was brightly lit but there was hardly any movement of vehicles and persons on the road. This made us realize how much energy is being wasted every night on the empty road by just lighting on this light continuously. The main problem with the traditional lights are that they consume electricity every night at the empty roads when there is no vehicles or person around on the road. This leads to unnecessary consumption of electricity. It increases the cost of electricity and there is an excessive carbon emission. To solve this issue, our team began by exploring various possible solutions and after a brainstorming session, we came up with the idea of a smart solar powered motion sensing street light.
Now, we'll talk about the prototype development in which I'll talk a few lines about the components used in this prototype. Firstly, the three main components are the Arduino Uno, the motion sensor, and the LDR which is installed on the solar panel. The Arduino Uno, which will control the entire system, the LDR, which will detect the sunlight, and the motion sensor, which will sense the motion or movement of any body or object which is passing nearby. And then the other components are like the rechargeable batteries, the solar panels which will store the solar energy, the LED bulbs, the poles, a small model of car, and breadboard or PCB, connecting wires, resistors, etc. Now we'll talk about the prototype development steps. This steps contains mainly 5 steps. The first is the base setup. In the base setup, we'll mount 3 to 4 poles on the cardboard, and then there is the power setup. In power setup, we will connect the solar panels to the rechargeable batteries and we'll use a diode which will prevent reverse current. Then there comes the third, in which connection setup is required, in which we will connect the motion sensor to the Arduino Uno's direct output for the sensing of the motion of the vehicles and other bodies, and then we will connect the LDR installed on the solar panels to the Arduino Uno's, which will sense the sunlight on the solar panels. Thirdly is the relay and light concept, in which we will connect the LEDs to the Arduino Uno's, which will make it automatic lights. And lastly, there is a programming language which we use to make the entire system work, in which we put a small or basic simple code for the application of the Arduino Uno's, which will make the entire system work.
This has a positive intent as it harnesses the solar energy and uses it for power, and it has motion sensors that reduces the energy wastage. This have a positive intent as it uses motion sensors and it reduces the energy wastage and also increases the safety, and it uses the solar energy. So it is also sustainable and effective for both rural and urban areas. This prototype have been created using and also it is used remote accessories and artificial intelligence. This is also sustainable and effective for all over the world. This prototype is a vision for our India, as our prototype shows the true spirit of Viksit Bharat 2047 and on making India green and smart.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.